Everyone wants to be a developer. Everyone is learning to code. Everyone has a portfolio site, a bootcamp certificate, and a dream. And nobody is hiring. Because the junior dev market, it's on fire. And not the good kind. The kind where your resume gets ghosted before your portfolio even loads. You're trying to land your first dev job in a world where senior engineers are getting laid off mid-stand-up. You've got 3 clone projects, a ChatGPT written blog post, and 0 production experience. You are, statistically speaking, a liability. A liability companies used to take a chance on, but not anymore. Back in the golden age of tech bloat, companies hoarded developers like CryptoBro hoarded JPEGs. You could get hired just for existing and knowing what Git was. Now they're not even hiring for features. They're reorganizing their way out of writing code entirely. Because here's what no one told you. The number of devs needed per feature is approaching 0. AI writes the boilerplate, design systems handle the UI, and product managers are shipping slide decks instead of actual features. So what happens? AI gets your job, senior devs get your tickets, and you want a $120K salary and your greatest skill is guessing which Stack Overflow answer isn't from 2013. So yeah, junior devs are screwed, unless you evolve. Use AI, but use it like a weapon, not a wheelchair. It should amplify your speed, not replace your thinking. If ChatGPT builds your project and you don't know how it works, congrats, you're an unpaid project manager with syntax anxiety. Anyone can prompt Copilot. Anyone can build a fake SaaS in a weekend. But winners? They use AI to go faster because they already know where they're going. If you're not improving 10x faster with AI, you're just getting outpaced by the ones who are. Build something real. Nobody cares about your to-do app unless it actually manages someone's to-dos. Solve a real problem. Make something ugly but useful. Build an app your friends actually use. Even a janky VS Code extension that saves 10 seconds is better than your 18th pixel-perfect clone. Write like your future job depends on it. Blog your pain. What broke, why it sucked, how you almost cried, and how you fixed it. No fluff, no story arc, just raw dev pain and useful solutions. Every post is a resume you didn't have to send. Be useful in public. Don't DM a senior engineer with, "Can you mentor me?" You're not a lost intern at the School of Vibes. Ask clear questions. Show your code. Then say thank you with receipts. Like, "Hey, I wrote a blog post about what you helped me learn." That's how trust is built. And trust gets you hired. Want to go even further? Do something worth talking about. Contribute to a tool you use. Fix a real bug. Write a brutally good tutorial. Build something weird but useful. You don't need to go viral. You just need one dev to say, "Yo, this is actually sick." And suddenly you exist. You're not entitled to a dev job. The world doesn't owe you one. But if you outlearn, outbuild, and outcommunicate the average junior, you will get hired. Not by luck, not by vibes, by proof. So yeah, junior devs are screwed, unless you're not average. Like and sub if you've ever cried into your terminal. And remember, don't wait for a recruiter. Build something they can't ignore.